Cruise by Mandy. A quick room tour here of the first balcony room, L302 on Sky Princess. Walking through really quickly. This would show you a twin bed setup. It is not fixed in any way. You see the storage area, a little bit smaller here. The desk area is also smaller. So you do have a smaller area. This is a two-person room. There is no bunk and there is no queen bed. But what I wanted to point out here is the balcony. So I pop out here. I'll close it back up. This is more of an angled balcony. This is where I'll put a lot of people. Where most balconies would go straight across here.
And it's to advise that we're running approximately 20 minutes ahead of schedule for our disembarkation process this morning. So all guests who are due to disembark.
My balcony was straight down there.
Please feel free to make your way to the nearest gangways, which are located on.
And you have this extra space here. So this is one of those hidden balconies. So Nancy, I see you're watching. This would be one I would book. You are protected from the wind this way, but you are forward facing here, so the wind comes this way. And all the balconies, as you can see, the first 5-ish are standard balcony rooms, and then you have the mini suites that were a little bit larger, facing the bridge here, down on the creep deck down there. But you do have this larger balcony space, still the same 2 standard chairs. And once again, the balcony interior here, definitely much smaller than a mini suite interior, as you can see. But you do see the 2 twin beds set apart. I won't go digging through their beds because I don't know who they were. Closet space is about the same size. This looks a little bit smaller. Yeah, a little bit smaller here. And the restroom. So you do have a smaller sink. This one, you have the shower and not the bathtub. So that would be another difference between the mini suite and the balcony. So once again, this was L302. I'm gonna see if I can run upstairs real quick and get a couple more. Cruise by Mandy signing off.